Hey everyone, Mike Spears, Certified Master Inspector for the Elite Group Home Inspection Services. We're doing a home inspection today in Laguna Niguel in a condominium complex. We're doing a premier inspection, and today I wanted to show you why it's so important you choose a premier inspection so that we as home inspectors get to use our infrared technology to look for leaks. So we have a downstairs condominium unit. We're in the garage. And when we look up here at the ceiling, there's some patchwork up here. So obviously the unit above has had some issues that they've had to repair or things of that nature. So today I'm using my infrared camera, and we're going to take a quick look up in this area where I see the patchwork, and what I notice up here is a color change on my infrared camera, and that's indicating to me that there's moisture in this area. So just having this technology and being able to look this up, I can determine if there is a possible problem here. And so what I'll do is I'm going to climb up here on my ladder, I'm going to test this area for moisture using my moisture meter, and we're going to determine if there is actual moisture in that area. So again, using infrared technology to find a leak, possible leak that has been patched over, we can't see anything, and we'll try the moisture meter. We're going to come up real quick and turn my moisture meter on. Yeah, let's see over there, and I can start scanning. You can see right there we've got high moisture, and as I scan around these areas, 80% moisture in the wall here, or in the ceiling. So that's just another reason to use the Elite Group. We come down and use our infrared technology. Always get your premier inspection. That's when we get to use these tools. That's when we get to really see things that we can't see with the naked eye. So thanks again for watching, and we'll send another video out next week.